Hello kids, today's topic type of sentences simple, compound and complex. Independent clauses. A sentence is also known as an independent clause because it contains one or more complete thoughts or ideas. For example, I like to visit with my friends. Dependent clauses. A dependent clause is not a sentence because it does not contain a full thought. It is used to support a main idea. For example, when I think about my life. Type of sentences. There are three main types of sentences: simple sentences, compound sentences and complex sentences. First, simple sentences. Simple sentences contain only one main thought or idea. For example, I enjoy eating with my friend. Simple questions. Simple questions ask about only one main action, idea or thought. For example, did you enjoy playing on the slide last night? Compound sentences. Compound sentences contain two independent clauses joined together with a coordinating conjunctions. For example, our car broke down, so we took a taxi home. Compound questions contain two independent clauses joined together with a coordinating conjunction. For example, would you rather eat a burger or go to get grocery? Coordinating conjunctions. A list of coordinating conjunctions include F is equal to for, A and, N nor, B but, O or, Y yet, S so. Complex sentences contain one independent clause and one dependent clause joined together with a subordinating conjunctions. For example, we were late to the party because we could not get a taxi. Complex questions contain one independent clause and one dependent clause joined together with a subordinating conjunction. For example, if you had a day off, what would you do to relax? Subordinating conjunctions. A list of common subordinating conjunctions include after, although, as, if, as long as, because, before, despite, even if, thought, if, in order that, rather that, etc. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.